So this is what I asked. For example, so you need to use at least two adapters or 3 adapters, right? That's what I asked, and you need to use some specific set of parent functions. So you need to use any of the at least 3 adapters from this listing, and you have to use these parent functions. If you scroll down a bit, okay. So these are the parent functions that you have to use, and if you scroll down further, and you have to use a Groovy scripting step, and some message logging should happen there as well, and you can also use simple structures, either JSON or XML. So this is good. Okay, very good. Let's move on to the next topic. Maybe Veena, you can share your screen. The next project, please. So first, explain me the requirement. Okay, what have you implemented briefly? Then we'll go through the implementation. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Prasad. I'm sharing the screen. My screen is visible.
Yeah, we can see your screen, Veena.
Yeah, the BDTA of the project is all about like whenever any organization, whenever hire the new employee, the organization is going to save the data in the external system. Like we have taken external system as a SFTP over here. Then we are going to store the same data in our database, and also in the come to the second scenario, iFlow. Whenever we require the employee data, for example, for the salary purpose or any other employee data from our database. This is all about the BDTA.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm going to share the data structure of project. See. So as I said, like when the new employee has been joined, the data has been saved in the external system. The external system over here, the sender system is SFTP. I've been configured the external system. Before adding the external system, what I have done the configuration test from here. Connectivity test I have been done over here. In the connectivity test, I was added the SFTP available SFTP system loading actually.
Veena, you are having a bad network or what? So your voice is breaking.
I think so. Now it's audible.
It's better.
Yeah. Like I was done the connectivity test by adding our SFTP server, like host name and port, everything over here. After that, the security details I was uploaded over here, relevant to SFTP, user credentials and everything. Then coming to the configuration part, yeah, directory, like where we are placing the file in our external system, the directory has been mentioned, and what is the format of the file, that also has been updated, and address of the external system, that port address details of our external system has been updated in the configuration. Then credentials, credential name, what I was saved in the security material, the same thing has been updated over here in the credential details. Then remaining turnout time and everything have been given. Once it has been processed the file from the external system, it will the specific file, it has to move to the archive directory that has been given in the processing. Then once the file has been placed, since our middleware has been understood, since we are in the external system, we are facing a CSV file, our middleware will understand only XML format, right? So that's why I have been added a script over here in order to convert the CSV to XML format. So this is all about the data, the script we are writing here. So, yeah.
Okay. So what is the script doing, Veena?
It's picking the XML file. Once the CSV file received from the external system, SFTP folder. SFTP server. Then it's reading the data and converting to the XML format.
Okay, so CSV to XML translation.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you go back to the iFlow, please?
Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah. Then later, we have done a message mapping over here. In order to post the data to our JDBC.
And then Groovy scripting is only also for the JDBC conversion, is it?
Yeah, only for JDBC conversion. So one-to-one mapping we have done.
Okay.
Mapping. Then further, once the simulation has been done, the data, the employee data, go and store over our JDBC server. So we have been created a free server for the JDBC. Once the table has been created over here in our server, all the data which has been sent from our system, it's going to post over in our JDBC. Shall I simulate the iFlow?
Yes, please. Can you run it, please? Yeah.
Yeah. See, as of now, I am not created any table in here. So just I will show I will simulate and I will show what the error is going to throw in case the table has been not created in our DB. What the error is going to throw from the SFTP, that I will show first. Then later I will create the table over here. Then the data has been posted or not. Then I will represent it. Okay.
That's fine.
Yes. It's okay. Sorry. So as of now, I'm not placing any file. I'm just placing the file in our. So just I've been placed the file. Deploy has been happened. So when I check our CredDB, as of now, there is no any table that has been created. Just I will refresh it. Table. So hence posting the data. Right. Yeah. The data which have been placed in our SFTP server, it has been processed.
So first you should throw an error, right? Where is
that? Yes, 1 second. Once again, I will run. I think the table was not deleted. So, yeah. See now. See, there is any table has been employee table has been exist over here. Then once again, I'm going to place a file.
When I deleted the table,
Yeah.
database
Yeah,
table.
that's what I'm trying to show, Vinay. Like I'm just showing that there is no any table exist in the database. So I've been dropped the file in our external system, and then just I simulated
The other scenario, okay?
Yeah. Sorry. When we check to our database, there is no any table exist. And also if I go to the monitor, deploy. Yeah, it has been failed because there is no any table has been exist in our database. That's why the file has been placed in external system. It has been failed.
Okay.
So now I'm going to create the table.
No, you're actually using a select, so you have to use a create table.
We're gonna create a table first. Write the query.
Do you have the query?
There is no query here.
There is no query.
You do one thing, copy this and go to ChatGPT and then say write a query, recreate table query for this fields. You can write it for you. Copy this one.
Wait, when I will post here.
Yeah.
So you have the query in the chat from Vinay.
The table has been created, employee table has been created.
Okay.
Now I will go. Yeah, since table has been created, so data has been posted to our DB. So rest remaining all the till the table has been created, it was failed. See, then now it has been posted to our DB.
Very good. Well done.
Yeah.
So what is the extension, Vinay, you have
This
done
is
for
the-
this? So is it new to this or it's an extension to this?
It's extension, Prasad.
Okay, can you share your screen maybe? Thank you. Good job, Vinay. Vinay, well done. Can you share your screen maybe, Vinay? Explain me the next extension, what you have done.
When open the next iFlow.
Yeah, it's here.
In this iFlow, you are fetching the employee details by searching employee ID. The database exposed to an external API. In that we fetch the data based on the employee ID.
Okay, I see. Okay.
This Groovy
And,
script, this request reply is to fetch the request from the JDBC adapter database. The Groovy script is to check whether the employee ID is existed in the database or not. If the employee ID does not exist, it throw an error.
okay.
Groovy for to check the employee ID. We now open Postman to deploy and open the Postman.
Yeah.
Yeah, run that query. In the Postman, we use it to select the data with the employee ID 22. Beautify it, Veena.
Yeah, it's done.
It's the data of the employee ID 22. When you fetch data that is not existed in the database, it throws an error. Veena, change an employee ID to
Before that, do you want me to show the exceptional what we have been posted over there?
Please show. When the employee ID does not existed in the database, it throws an error and send a notification via Gmail. Veena, run that query.
Yeah, I'm good. Yes, Vinay.
The employee 220 is not there in the JDBC database. It throws an error, and I received the email. I will share.
Okay, so you indicate email adapter. Okay, that's good.
And I received the notification. Employee ID not found. Is the screen visible?
Okay, very good. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So can you go back to the iFlow again, Veena? Can you share your screen, please? Show me the mail adapter configuration.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. So you're sending the notification. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we have used the mail adapter address.
Okay.
Then plain
Gmail.
details.
Okay.
That's like here in processing from which email ID to which email it has been processed, and we are capturing the body like which has been posting from the content modifier that we have been captured the mail body.
Okay. Perfect. Very good. And if you send an empty payload, what happens? For example, in the Postman, if you send an empty payload.
That we didn't check. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try with the empty payload. Yeah.
Yeah. Even empty
In the same.
payload.
Okay. That's fine. And you're sending the query as input. Okay, this is interesting. Okay. So Mona and Manoj, any feedback on this?
No, I think all the three have done a wonderful job. I think Vinay has one more idea for this. Vinay, show me with the expression. You're passing as a constant, right? The exception subprocess. You just try with the exception. That would be, try to use the expression, so it would be helpful for you guys.
Okay, Mama.
You want me to trigger now once again?
You shouldn't keep the body as an employee ID not found. You should give
Okay,
the
like,
expression. So, expression, you know about the camel expressions, right? For slash trace and trace
dollar
box
dot
for that.
body.
No, dollar exemption dot message.
Exception dot message, you can use that. And also we have a slack trace as well. So you need to use the expressions there,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Dollar. Can anyone please repeat?
I will post that expression.
You just add that employee ID not found, and below you just add dollar exception dot message in flower brackets.
Exception.
Exception in flower brackets, exception dot message, and also add employee ID not found as well. That is also fine. You can add above.
Is the expression is correct? Oh, this is the output we got.
So now you see the difference, right? Exception dot message you will get. Already you're making it as a constant, and later on exception dot message what you're getting. There is no employee ID if not found, it gets in from the Groovy script.
Yes. Yes, Mama. Got it.
Above one is the constant you're maintaining. So this is just go through the Apache camel expressions, so you might be having an idea.
Okay.
Mama.
And nice job, guys. You all three had really done a good job. I think you represented the iFlows very well. You all three had really done a good job.
Thank you, Muna.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama.
Well done, guys. Okay, so I wish you all the best, guys. So we'll be in touch with you. Okay, if you need any help with interview preparation or something, okay, always reach out. And this is not the end of the story. And you have our numbers. Okay, just reach out to us. And we wish you all the best. And hope you'll find some great stuff in SAP CPI projects. Okay.